Hi guys, I'm Hassa with WTI, and if you're like me, a person who likes to drink their coffee or tea in a beautiful mug, well, you have to try this Royal Doulton mug. This is the Royal Doulton for Gordon Ramsay Maize White Mug. This mug is super easy to hold, and I love the texture it has on it. I love the color, the size, and the feel of this mug. This one holds a lot without it looking bulky, which is something I really appreciate. Not too big, not too small, just the perfect size. It holds a lot of coffee or tea or any other drink that you want to put in. I love its rich texture, which makes it more unique, and a lot of people have complimented this mug that I have right here. I actually have two, and I personally like white dishes in my kitchen and white mugs, and so this one makes the perfect mug for my everyday coffee. It hasn't stained ever since I got it, and I've been using it for about a year and still going strong. I definitely love this mug, and it is the one I use every day to drink coffee. My husband loves drinking coffee in his mug too, which is exactly like this one. And if you want to give it a try and drink your coffee in an elegant way, well, this white mug is the one, and that's my point of view.